In this video, I want to show you how to be able to print from your Android smartphone on your Canon imageCLASS LBP122dw. It's very easy, so let's get started. Step number one is to actually connect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or Android tablet. So let's go on the display of the printer right over here. I'll show you how this is done. Alright, so you're going to press the OK button to turn on the display. Once the display is turned on, you're going to press the down arrow again and select Menu. Press OK. Over here we need to select Preferences, so press the down arrow and then OK. Go down until you select Network. Press OK. And now all we have to do is to select wireless LAN, which is the second option right over here, and press OK. Select yes by pressing the left side arrow and OK. So over here we have all the Wi-Fi networks that it has found, and you need to select yours. So this is mine and I'll press OK. Wait a few seconds and it will ask you to enter the password. Here we go. So you're going to have a keyboard down below if you press the down arrow. I know it's not very easy, but you're going to navigate like this. Okay, and once you found the letter or the number you want to type, press OK. Once you're done typing, go back up and select Apply. Then Yes. And at the end, you're going to get connected. This is a confirmation that everything went well. From here, you can press the back button a few times just to go back on the main menu. And as you see here, we have the Wi-Fi logo simply telling us that it's now connected. Now on your Android smartphone or tablet, you're going to open the Google Play Store. And from here, you're going to tap the search button and search Canon. Go down. You need to download the Canon Print app. This one. Open the app. Agree. Agree. Go down. Agree. OK. While using the app, allow. Next. Allow, search, find your printer, make sure it's awake. So if the display was turned off, wait a second, select yes, and if it didn't find it, click search again. And now it has found my Canon printer, as you see right on the top over here, LBP121 or 122. So if you want to print something, you're going to press Document Print, select Documents, and search on your Android phone to find your document. So I'll go over here in my Documents folder, I'll click on this one, press Next once you have opened your document. Press this arrow. Make sure these settings are fine with whatever you're trying to print. So you're going to have the output size of the paper. In my case, it's letter size paper, so that's why it's LTR. Number of copies. Over here, if you want to print on one side or two-sided. Okay. And other options like the image quality as well. Just keep it to standard, but if you're printing pictures, although this is a black and white printer, in that case select high quality, but for anything else you can leave it to standard. Go back and press print. Oh, and it has printed on both sides. I forgot to tell you, but you can also extend this tray so it does not fall the way it just did. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon links if you want to get some supplies for your printer like paper, new ink cartridges. You support my channel this way, and I'll see you in the next video.